April 12, 2027. The early morning hours at the Cerro Paranal Observatory in Chile were usually tranquil. Astronomers running routine surveys of the southern sky, sipping coffee, logged into their consoles, catching the faintest glimmers from ancient galaxies. But tonight, a technician flagged something different. A starlight anomaly, an odd absence, on routine images. At first, it looked like a system glitch. But as the team recalibrated, they found something more mysterious. The object wasn't dark in the way a black hole would be, nor shimmering like a comet. Somewhere near Jupiter's orbit, the stars themselves were being deflected, lights vanishing, reappearing, as if something enormous was passing through. When the object's location lined up with a cluster of distant nebulae, the effect was even more pronounced. It was there, but only visible where it shouldn't be. Within hours, alerts flashed through the astronomical community. Instruments from Hawaii to Australia reported similar patterns. The Gaia satellite picked up only the faintest gravitational effect, but no visible or infrared light. Yet strangely, telescopic images of gas giant reflections, planets and their moons, showed pronounced, flickering distortions. And then came the press release. Astronomers had detected a planet-sized object traveling at an unprecedented speed toward Earth. But it was invisible, only through indirect means. Its silent dance through reflected light, could it be tracked? Its estimated size, nearly as large as Mars, but with mass closer to the Earth's moon. The object swept sunlight aside, uncannily transparent, undetectable except where it bent light around itself. Panic and fascination gripped the world. The scientific scramble began. Teams pored over data, seeking to understand. Was it a rogue planet? Something artificial? Or a chunk of exotic matter, unbound by the laws governing every rock and dust cloud humanity had ever catalogued? As the days ticked by, major observatories triangulated its approach. It was growing closer, fast enough that its trajectory was unmistakable. In a live-streamed broadcast, the world's top astrophysicists and government officials addressed humanity.
We now confirm an object, roughly 5 million kilometers away, will pass dangerously close to Earth in 10 days. Its speed and peculiar nature suggest it is not an asteroid as we know them. We can only trace its outline in the distorted reflections on planets, oceans, even city windows at dawn. But its path is certain.
Nations activated emergency protocols. Satellites pivoted to maximize indirect observation. Cities from New York to Shanghai reported strange, fleeting glimpses, skylines briefly warped, moonlit lakes flickering with impossible shapes. As the planet-sized ghost drew closer, humanity waited, breath held, united not by what they could see, but what they could only see in a mirror.